Happy Saturday, everybody. Today is the day. Today we're bringing out all the Christmas decorations. And I've got the Magic Kingdom Christmas music loop on because it's my last official Christmas day. I say today, but it may end up taking us more than a day. Last time it took us about 4 days to put everything away and about 5 days to take it out. But I've been traveling all week. I've been in 4 states in 5 days. I just vlogged a little bit of my trip. But I'm so not mentally ready to let go of Christmas, but I know it's time. It's time we need to go back to normal, and then we'll just look forward to the next one. Forgot to mention that today is Saturday, January 14th. Yesterday was the official first day of the Festival of the Arts. We're gonna be visiting the Festival of the Arts this coming week, and we're gonna vlog it as well. It is one of my favorite festivals, and I think I say that at every festival, but really my favorite festival is the Flower and Garden, and then the Food and Wine, and the Festival of the Arts. I like them all though. They're all special. They all have their own special thing. But I'm excited to do that sometime next week. I'm gonna ask you guys to remember to put on those notifications or turn on those notifications so that you know when I've uploaded another video. If you're new here and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I think we have somebody that wants to help us here. Starting to bring out the boxes. Guys, we have so many boxes and plastic containers. This is about to get crazy. I'm starting to take out everything that was here in the kitchen area, and I'm gonna pile it up on my counter. But I wanna show you guys something really cool. Mark normally gets us one of these almost every year, not every single year, but I love these because I end up keeping them for decoration. And I love these little things. And it's kind of, you know, it's those candy towers, cookie towers, I'll show you now. But it's one of those things that I would get for someone else and never for myself. And my honey, Marky Mouse, by the way, if you guys are not following him on YouTube, please go give him a follow. I'm gonna link his YouTube right here. But I wanna show you this guy because I think this is one of the best ones we've had. I haven't eaten everything yet. My daughter also got one. She opened up some of the stuff that we tried, and our daughter's boyfriend also got one from him. But I gotta show you mine. He's such a cute little fella. So see, it's like a candy tower, and it's Santa. Look how cute he is. And it came with everything you see here. So this is popcorn. It is kettle corn popcorn. It's actually sweet. It's got like a caramel on it. I have not opened this yet, but if I remember correctly, these are the chocolate covered pretzels. Brought a little shortbread cookie, a little Ghirardelli square, and then, guys, look at this. This is just like Oreos. We tried our daughter's stash and it was like Oreos, and I'm a big Oreo fan. So I'm putting these in the fridge because I like my Oreos in the fridge. See? Cookies are in the fridge. Who else likes their cookies cold? So I'm making my stash here, and then as I take out the containers where they go, I'll put everything in its place. All of our containers are labeled. So here, I've got just a few containers out so far. They're all labeled, so we know what goes where. See, look at that. If you guys haven't seen my Christmas decoration video and you feel like watching it, please go look for it. It's a few videos down the line. And it's all about Christmas decorating and decorating our house. So I think it's called something like My Christmas Decorations. But I want to show you something else that Mark also gets us a lot of times as gifts that I end up keeping for decorations. These tin guys are usually at Family Dollar, Walgreens, and they normally have like candy or popcorn or pretzels, and I love them, so I keep them and then I use them as decoration. Look at that, aren't they adorable? So it's funny because when he started getting me those, I would always make a comment, oh my God, I love these and I'm gonna use them for decoration. And then the next year he would get me another one. I would be like, I love it, oh my God. So far I have 4. I'm sure there's more coming. And I think they were only like $5. They're from Family Dollar or Dollar General. I'm not sure, but pretty cheap and good snacks that are in them. Speaking of which, he got me one this year. He actually had a gift in it, but I immediately put it up as decoration. I had a pair of earrings in this one that he got me. And he's such a cute little Santa tin. And since I love Santas and I love the tins, the Christmas tins, you know, specifically, I put him up immediately. So he's going to be part of my decorations year after year. Not every year everything comes out. I talked about it on my other video on Christmas decorations. We just have so many things. And some years, not everything comes out. Definitely like the Santas, my Santas, not all the years they all come out, because that's just, it's a lot of work, guys. It took us like more than 5 days. There, see all those Santas? And I think there's like 1 or 2 missing that are not there. Took about 5 days to like just really dig in and decorate. But we had a mess for over a week. And this is nothing. This is gonna be filled with containers. We also switch out our plates. We put away our regular plates and take out the Christmas plates. And now we're putting all of the Christmas plates away. You know, I'm not doing this alone.
Hey!
We caught Marky Mouse in action.
I'm here, I'm working. All right, this is my first ornament to put away this year. It's Mickey, Minnie, and I think Goofy. Yeah, that's Goofy, right?
Yeah, I love that one. It's wooden. It's kind of heavy. That is, oh my God.
All right, guys, we'll see you next year.
Bye!
First one.
Can you see that? Those are the earrings that my honey got me in that little Santa tin that I was showing you guys. It's like a little mother of pearl. I love mother of pearl. So I switched out my earrings to the ones he gave me.
Look at the bats I got here, babe. SpongeBob, Remy, Taz.
It's
Merry
a combo
Christmas.
of everything.
And then it's Jack Skellington.
Guys, I wanted to show you this. Our daughter gave us for Christmas this year these beautiful ornaments. They're made of wood. And she actually had a friend of hers paint them for it, but it's our kitties. So her friend painted them for her. I love these. Do you guys remember when Warner Brothers and Universal Studios used to have a store? We got this from that store, and it's always been one of my favorites. Scooby and Scrappy.
All right, babe, I found some more. And guess what happened, guys? We've been showing you all the ornaments we've been taking off the tree, which were a lot, and we weren't recording. For some reason, the camera was off. So you missed out on so much. So Eva wanted you to comment on her video. So let me know if you like the round ornaments, the ones that look like balls, or do you like the figures like this? And say, hey, Marky wanted to know if I liked the figures or the round ornament balls. And you can just mention my name in her comment. Like that, she'll remember to tell me.
Figures or ornaments? Do you recognize this? What movie is that from?
Not that any of this is gonna make the blog. Usually I'm edited out of her blogs, but here you go.
What? No, you're not.
JK,
Nice.
JK. I'm just kidding. I was just gonna say, I'm just kidding, guys. She doesn't edit me out. I'm the star of the show.
Exactly.
How can you edit me out?
Can't let the funny guy out of my vlog. What the heck?
Well, you know, I'm not really that funny, but I appreciate that.
Good morning. Day 2. Today is Sunday. Yeah, it's a mess behind me. But the tree's down. There's a few things that are down, but we still have a big mess, and hopefully we'll finish today. My poor honey, he's got the big job. That thing, they forget to make the boxes to accommodate to the tree once you open it.
It's gone.
So sad. Baby, I think it's snowing on you.
It is. It's snowing. It's snowing. Woo! It is cold in Florida today. Really cold.
It is.
Oh,
He's awful.
another Mickey Mouse boxed.
And we're done. I'm just gonna show you real quick, kind of, real quick. I'm still cleaning and picking up, but we are done. It's taken us 2 days to pick up all of the Christmas stuff. My poor honey, his back is gonna be killing him. He did all of the heavy lifting, but just gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna show you what I'm cooking. We're kind of back to normal. And there's my honey. Still a little messy here and there. That goes back into the garage. But things are kind of getting back to normal. And let me show you what I'm making for dinner. This is a quickie meal. I'm gonna make a salad. I had not unfrozen any meat. So I've got red beans. I put olive in almost everything. So I have red beans and rice going. And it literally took us all of the 2 days. We woke up super early today. It's now almost 7 and we're still not 100% done. Most of it is done. But whew, another year down. Guys, thanks for joining me once again. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Have a great new year.